This could have been the second video I made on this bike. Trike. Correction. I mostly deal with bikes. This is different. I feel like this is different for everybody. No one really makes trike videos unless it's an ATC. By the way, my buddy just got an ATC yesterday, an 84 Honda ATC. Let me go. Oh! He just got a 1984 Honda ATC 125M, and seeing that and how cool it was, we worked on it a little bit, kind of motivated me to pull that thing out again and get it running. I've had it for a while, hasn't ran in 2 years, and it's about time I put some work into it, because I'll imagine just how cool this thing would be if it was right. I've done a bit of work to it. I've replaced that taillight. A lot of it was cosmetic. I've looked through the wiring, fixed the starter motor. I still gotta get power to it. I can't seem to get my little ignition to work. Don't know why, but I'll find out. For some reason, there's something wrong with me. I cannot work on a dirty bike. So what I'm gonna use is this tough stuff on the seat here. I already used it on the main portion of it. Down here where it's still kind of mossy and gross. Look at that stuff. Foams right up. Just wipe that off after about 30 seconds. But what I'm gonna start doing is that starter motor down there. I'm gonna take it out. I'll get you all a better view of it. I'll take it out again. Probably change the wire hooked up to it. See if that's the wrong one. Flip over a few of the wires it has in it. Just do some trial and error. I can get somewhere, right? The engine in here should be good. It's buried beneath the seat. You see it. 250cc if I haven't mentioned that already. Got power hooked up. And this is the only way I can really spin her over. She sounds healthy. Sounds like I'm frying that solenoid though. I'll be careful. Let's try doing what I said and swapping over those cables, see if I can get anywhere. Swear if it's that easy. Maybe I have a ground issue. What about ground? Oh, look at that ground. That's bad. I'll make a new ground. That should help. I opened up the valve cover on the bike here. Trike, whatever. Let me get a clean finger. How are the lobes on this camshaft? Ah, they're good enough. I'm with my buddy Danny. He's checking it out with me. It all looks pretty clean. I knew the oil was good in this thing.
It's really clean.
It is, yeah. It's doing a good job.
How many miles does this engine have on it?
4K. Yep. Got the carburetor here. It's a Keyhen, apparently. Almost off. So, there it is. Won't come out. Did I miss anything? Of course I missed something. What is this thing here? There's a lot of vacuum lines or whatnot going to it. I should probably not hurt that. Got it. Undamaged. Oh, that's gotta be a 30mm carburetor. What do you say? Looks nice from the outside, that is. This opens and closes. Sometimes. I doubt it's too dirty on the inside. We'll see. So this motorcycle's obviously ran on some good non-ethanol fuel and did not have a fuel problem, because, wow, that's impressive. Most of my bigger engines on my bigger bikes have always had clean carburetors. The ones that are, well, they're almost always carbureted. Are all? Yeah, they're all carbureted. But I'm at least gonna take out the jets, make sure they're clear, blow through it. And let me do that now. Works like brand new there. And just some little things, then hook it back up, probably make it prettier, get off all the oxidation. See what size this main jet is. My hands are probably clean enough. Side hole's clean. Really good down the middle. Legacy. Yeah, you can see that. It's a 110. It's bigger, you know. Not bad, not bad. Now, take out that auto. Try to be really easy with those main jets. I like them to look good on the outside. Shit. I don't like it to be scored and whatnot. I'm about to go back to that. Need the average size flathead. Try to make a chill video of this, you know. That's all you guys probably are watching this for anyway, just relax. Watch something. Scratch into something cool. I don't know, just get ready to get a video out. I might fully restore this bike. Trike. I'll see. Now, this is probably gonna be fine too. Holes on the side. Good. Down the middle. Is it good? No way it's supposed to be like that. I'll clear that out a little bit, but the top of this, the carburetor has to come off, because you saw it. Sometimes it sticks. The diaphragm up there is probably okay, but just need to clean the outside around it. Oh well, we're good. Carburetors are kind of like time capsules in a way now that I'm thinking about it. Like you just saw the inside of it. It looked pristine. It looks like it was just shipped yesterday. I don't know. Here's a perfect example of that. Look how clear that is. How shiny. Because it was just being covered up. Nice. Oh yeah. Let's check out the diaphragm. It was sticking a little bit. Clean off the finger. Diaphragm does not look correct whatsoever. But this needle has to be cleaned off. For sure. Yeah, this is in great condition. Has a lot of gas on it. It's wet from that. I'll just clean this off my shirt. Yeah, wet right away. Oh, there's a lot of gas on the cylinder where this slides into. Look at that. Yep. I'm getting to the point where I have to clean my desk so much, this workbench here, that I just use brake cleaner and a rag. It works pretty well. You see it now. It's not gross. Works just fine. Slide that back in. Now it's a simple carb clean. So, with this all back together, all I gotta worry about is the electrical system. So, once I got that figured out, things should start right up, you know? No problem. I still gotta clean the fuel tank a bit more. I had an old clip of me pouring it out. It was rancid. The fuel tank's actually glowing. It looks good other than the fact that the bottom's pretty rusted. I hope there's no pinholes in it. But it held fluid for all these years, so I guess it'll be okay. The thing I'm worried about is maybe when I tear away that rust, somehow the rust will be covering up the holes. You know, it could get weird. I'll see. Next day, maybe 2 days from before, maybe 3, I don't know. Either way, working on the trike, and I didn't do any updates last night because I didn't have my GoPro, but it runs now. Got spark to it, and just sprayed some carb cleaner down its carburetor. Came right to life. So right now I'm cleaning up the tank. The inside of it is actually fresh. I don't believe I've shown, well, just trust me, there's not a speck of rust in there. Still, what I'm gonna do is, since the bottom side's not so clean. Yeah, there's a wrench. My buddy's working on his APC there. That's my buddy DJ. 125M. Ain't that nice?
Work in progress, bud.
Hell yeah. But am I no?
One day, I will have that thing looking nice.
One day not far from now.
Hopefully.
As soon as I put the air box back on, a bit cleaned up that is, and that gas tank, this thing's running and riding. Thing is, this is still bad. See how much that wiggles?
No.
Shut up. What are you doing here? If you can't already tell, today is a peaceful one. So I'm just kind of doing my own thing, getting this bike running. I mean, it won't be as peaceful when I go riding it, of course, but that's a given. I'm just gonna put some primer on it, and hopefully that seals it up, makes it look a bit better. If I want to paint it in the future, I will, probably. I already put some brake cleaner on it, so it should be smooth. And away from, oh yeah, I should probably angle it better. I don't want anything on there. That's a bit windy. I might move over there. I am moving over there. I ended up moving a couple times already, but I think this should be a good spot. Ah, this rag's getting all over it. It's not everywhere. I didn't wipe it much. But it's gonna come out good. You know, it's just a primer. I'll let you guys watch. This is a bad angle to be painting at. I'll catch you guys in a second. God, this is one badass song. Where Am I Run by Metallica? It's my favorite song right now. This is the music you love painting to. Really active and metal-like. The wind's blowing that way now. Anyway, this is probably where I'll stop. Well, get in there. Yeah, that was a good spot right there. Nothing crazy. I was thinking this. Gas tank's in and filled up. Ish. I got power on. We're gonna pray that this thing starts and runs. Well, I don't know why it shouldn't. Let me put you guys down for a second. So we clearly still have a wiring issue because, watch this. It's not running without this shorting it. Weird. Did I do it? Oh. Can't see that side of my camera. But I'm gonna conclude this video short. Thing is, that trike is an electrical nightmare. For about 2 months now, I've been trying to deal with it. And I haven't got too far. Because that's been the one problem holding me back from getting that thing running right. Now I just gotta get it riding because it runs like it's fuel injected. It's that good. So it'll come along. That's not the last time you'll see the damn thing. But I at least need some kind of break from it until my dad's friend Trainee Tom can come take a look at it. He's not actually like transgender, but he works at transmission shop, so yeah, don't get any bad thoughts. I know he can solve it. He knows all. Dude's a genius. So yeah, hopefully this can get worked out quick. I have high hopes. See you guys. Thanks for tuning in.